In a quiet meadow, nestled among the tall green grass, lived a tiny cricket named Chip. Chip was known for his rhythmic chirps that echoed through the meadow each evening. One day, a storm approached, and the meadow filled with thunder and lightning. Chip was terrified, and his chirps grew faint. The other creatures in the meadow noticed and felt concerned. The wise old owl, Hoot, approached Chip. "Why have your chirps stopped, little one?" he asked. Chip replied, "I am afraid that my chirps will be drowned out by the storm." Hoot thought for a moment and then said, "Remember, Chip, your chirps are not just for me, but for all the creatures in the meadow. Your voice is a beacon of peace and comfort in the midst of chaos." With Hoot's words, Chip found courage and began to chirp again, louder than before. The other creatures in the meadow felt comforted, and Chip's chirps helped them to sleep through the storm. The next morning, the meadow was peaceful once more. The creatures gathered around Chip to thank him for his bravery. Chip smiled and said, "I am just a tiny cricket, but I learned that my voice can make a difference." And so, Chip continued to chirp every evening, reminding the meadow creatures of the power of their own voices and the importance of standing up for what's right, even in the face of adversity. In the end, Chip's story serves as a reminder that every voice matters, and that each of us has the power to make a difference in the world around us. Never underestimate the impact of your actions and the power of your voice.